If you see the error, message doesn't exist on Telegram while using your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix it. In this video, I'll show how you can fix or understand it properly. Solution 1. The Reset Holes Debug Tool. Telegram for iOS has a hidden debug menu specifically designed to fix holes in your message history where messages appear missing or non-existent. Open Telegram, then tap on Settings at the bottom right. Now tap the Settings icon 10 times quickly. A hidden debug menu will appear. Scroll down and tap Reset Holes. Restart the app. This forces Telegram to rescan the server for missing data in your chat history. Solution 2. Clear Local Database. Go to Telegram Settings. After that, go to Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache. This will not delete your chats, but it will force the app to re-download message headers from the cloud. Solution 3. Verify via Telegram Web. Open Safari, then go to Telegram. Log in and try to find the message. If the message exists on web, if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Telegram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.